Let's move on to the next question of this JEE Main 2019 paper. It says, if the line 3x plus 4y minus 24 intersects the x-axis at a point A and y-axis at another point, say B, then the incenter of the triangle AOB is, where O is origin. A simple question from geometry. So let's plan geometry first. Let's draw x-axis, y-axis and the line as it is 3x plus 4y minus 24 equals 0. When y is 0, you find x as 8, x is 0, you find y as 6. So you can mark the line in this fashion, correct. Let's mark the points as well. We have the points A and B. Coordinates for A 8, 0, for B 0, 6. Now the question says there is a circle inside it. So let's draw the incircle here, which is touching all three sides like this, correct. Now we have to find the radius first. When you are talking about radius, meaning you are saying the length, this one and this one, these three lengths are equal as the in radius, correct. Now can we see here the length, this one is 8, this is r, this is also r. So the center is r comma r. Now what we are left with here in this case, this is 8 minus r. Length of tangent, this is equal. So we can say this is 8 minus r and this is 6 minus r. This point is clear. This length is 8, this length is 6. So what is the length of AB? Yes, AB is 10. So write down AB is equal to 10. This is also equal to 8 minus r plus 6 minus r, right. So from here we have 2r equals 14 minus 10, that is simply 4. So r is 2, length of r is 2. So the incenter is obtained as 2, 2. So correct answer is option number 4. I am sure this question is clear. Let's move on to the next one, that is question number 11. If the third term in the binomial expansion of this one is 2560, find the possible value of x. Simple question from binomial. Let's begin with this one. Expression given to me is 1 plus x to the power log x to the base 2 whole raised to the power 5. We have to talk about third term in the binomial expansion. So let's write down T3 is equal to 5c2 x to the power log 2 base x whole square is equal to 2560, right. 5c2 meaning 10. So we have 10 cancelling this 0. So we are left with 256. Take square root, you get the result changing to x to the power log x to the base 2 whole square is 256. Taking square root, you have plus minus 16. We can exclude minus 16 because that is not possible. So let's discard. Taking log again, we have log 2x whole square is equal to 4. Now from here we get the result changing to log x to the base 2 is equal to plus minus 2. So what's the value for x? Yes, x is 4 or 1 by 4. Let's see from the given options, do we have such a result available with us? Yes, we can see 1 by 4 is available here as option number 2. So we obtain the correct answer as 1 by 4, that is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question of this JEE Main 2019 morning shift of 10th January. Let Z1, Z2 be two non-zero complex numbers such that 3z1 equals 4z2. If z equals this term, then which of the following is correct? Let's check this question. Say I take z1 is equal to r1 ei theta 1, z2 equals r2 ei theta 2. So what result given to me? 3r1 is equal to 4r2, right. Now let's see what we are looking for. Starting the solution part, z is equal to 3 by 2 r1 ei theta 1 upon r2 ei theta 2 plus 2 by 3 r2 ei theta 2 upon r1 ei theta 1. I am sure this is clear. What is R1 by R2? It is given to us. R1 by R2 is 4 by 3. Mention this value here. So, we get Z is equal to 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 into E iota theta 1 minus theta 2 plus 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into E iota theta 2 minus theta 1. This is clear. So, we have twice of E iota theta 1 minus theta 2. Here we have 1 by 2 of E iota negative of theta 1 minus theta 2. This is clear. Simplify, you get 2 plus half cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus iota times 2 minus 1 by 2 sin theta 1 minus theta 2. So, the result simplified with us is 5 by 2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus iota 3 by 2 sin theta 1 minus theta 2. Now, what is the modulus of this number? Let us find. Mod z is equal to square root of 25 cos square theta 1 minus theta 2 divided by 4 plus 9 by 4 sin square theta 1 minus theta 2, which can further be written as square root of 9 by 4 plus 16 by 4, that means simply 4, because what I have done, I have rewritten this 25 as 9 plus 16. So, that 9 by 4 cos square plus 9 by 4 sin square of the same angle becomes simply 9 by 4. We are left with 16 by 4, that is 4 cos square theta 1 minus theta 2. This is the modulus. Now, let us see at the options. When you look at the options, there is no such option given. See, when you talk about this question, if theta 1 and theta 2 are equal, what will happen? You can see theta 1 and theta 2 are equal, so this part is 0, imaginary part becomes 0. If theta 1 minus theta 2 is odd multiple of pi by 2, real part is 0, right. So, when you look at the option part, real part of z is 0, imaginary part of z is 0, both are possible. Third, when you talk about this one, the range of this mod z, when you observe, this will be 9 by 4 when this term is 0, square root of 9 by 4 meaning 3 by 2. So, range is mod z belongs to 3 by 2, 2. When highest value 1 is obtained, it becomes 25 by 4, that is 5 by 2. In that case, you will see the value given in option number 2 will be satisfied. So, no perfect option is there for this question as when you observe all 4 options, right. I am sure this part is clear how it is being solved. So, let us move on to the next question now.